With due respect, dangerous and erroneous interpretation of the law ang claim ni Rufus Rodriguez. Sabi niya, wala daw jurisdiction ng impeachment proceedings sa mga actions ni Sara Duterte bilang DepEd Secretary. Ang argumento niya, the DepEd Secretary is not an impeachable officer. Frankly, this is hogwash. Tandaan, kapag ang isang opisyal ay corrupt bilang secretary, she is also corrupt as a vice president. Hindi pwedeng magnanakaw ka sa DepEd pero legally upright ka sa OVP. Character is indivisible. We are talking of the same person who is not morally upright to continue leading the office of the Vice President, the second highest official of the land, and an office that is a heartbeat away from the presidency. Hindi to usapin ng kung saan opisina ka nagkamali. Usapin ito ng kung anong klaseng tao ka. If you are unfit to lead a department, you are fundamentally unfit to lead the nation. Character is not a costume. Hindi ito barong o gown na pwede mong hubarin sa gabi at palitan sa umaga. Kahit anong lipat mo pa ng opisina, kahit gaano pa karami ang palit mo ng damit, you cannot bleach a stained soul with a new title. Hindi dapat binubura ang kalokohan ng mga opisyal sa pamamagitan ng teknikalidad. Kong Rufus, in this issue, you are an intellectual disappointment. And it is such a shame that you are doing legal gymnastics for political reasons. Protect the Filipino from unfit leaders in the same manner that you are protecting us against foreign aggressors in the issue of the West Philippine Sea. Agyamanak. Attorney Dino De Leon po at dapat patas sa batas.